Hi everybody, here I am live again today. Sorry I'm just a couple minutes late. Alright, I've got my kid upstairs watching out my back window at the school behind our house, and they're doing like a skateboarding show or something, and so I don't know if you guys will be able to hear them all cheering and stuff, but we'll see how long that keeps him preoccupied. So this morning I took him to the dentist and he wasn't having it, so we're going to have him go to a special dentist to get IV sedation, and you know, he's got several cavities that have got to get filled, so that's too bad. But we made it back in time for the most part to start here with the live. So today we're going to do something kind of fun. I've got my hair all full today. Lots of volume. It was really fun. Just, you know, I haven't had it like this in so long. Just nice and big. So what we're going to do is break out these little clips that I bought from Amazon. And these are something that you guys can get to help support my business on my Amazon affiliate store. Okay, so I'll make sure and put the link for you in the post here. And I want to show you how they've got these packaged. They're on little tubes or straws, and it makes it very easy to store them and to put them away. So when you're done, you just put them back on. They're very easy to open and close, and these are small. They don't hold more than just like one curl or so at a time, but that'll give you enough space to be able to still grab on and all of that. So we're going to do a fun hairstyle with these today. And then of course, as always, you guys are going to be able to ask me your questions and all of that. So as of right now, I have purple, red, and gold, or lavender, red, and gold it looks like. And I have some other colors too. Let me show you what I have. Oh, in fact, this came... There's a lot in here. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There's over 40 of these little clips. I've got more of a rustic gold, green, pinks, blue. Oh, and here's some rainbow ones. So all different colors to choose from. Yeah, and these are really pretty. They have like a little diamond on the end of each little butterfly along with the color. And there's so many things you can do with these. If you have a braid in your hair, you can go and nest them into the braid, or you know, just to maybe pull up a couple little things. I know it's really popular to do the little twist, you know how they do like this, and they twist back and everything. I'm not going to do exactly that today. I'm going to do something kind of similar. But you know, then you just clip right here. Lift up the hair behind there, and then you can see this. It's so small. Kind of feel where you got that hair. There we go. So cute. So there's just so many different things you can do. I'm not even going to take too much time on this today, but I just want to give you a couple of ideas real quick. You can very easily just pull back one curl, kind of get that out of your face. Make sure you grab the hair from underneath, including the curl, and then pinch down. Aww. Now, I'm going to tell you my first trick with these. I pinch down pretty tight, and it's kind of nestled down inside there. But to help keep your volume and to make sure these show really well, you can just go ahead and pull loosely up and away from your head, and then they will stay up and away more, and you'll have a lot more volume that way. Do you see how that worked? Okay. So obviously we all know how to use little clips, but that's just a couple little tricks, couple little ideas, and then we're going to go ahead and do a style here. I'm trying to think of which colors I should use. I don't think it even matters. I think I'm going to go for the soft pink and kind of antiqued gold. They're really light, really cute, and that'll kind of match my dress. Okay, so I am going to alternate gold, pink, and I've got how many here? About 10 of these. I don't know if I need that many. I actually saw something really cool last night when I was kind of looking up some ideas, but it doesn't work with these little clips. You need a little bit bigger one, so I'll have to show that in another video. But for now, I'm just going to go to town. I'm going to start by putting my hair kind of back, all in the back direction here. And I've already got my hair nice and voluminous, but by doing this, we're going to get even more volume. I'm going to leave the hairs by my face, and I've got those pretty defined so they're nice and curly around my face today. And I'm going to take a curl clump, come back, push forward, and pinch it. And just get that set, a little lift, and make sure that it's lifted up behind. Okay, I'm just going to kind of go back and forth around here and do this in a few places. I know if I really designated these, that it would probably help. Now, if I only do this in the front, then I'm not going to get quite as much volume. I'm going to put another layer right back here and push it even more forward, and then we'll really get a lot of lift. So the hair that I'm choosing, I'm making sure to push forward so that the front is not flat. Making sure I grab that hair and attach it to something, and then gently lift while it's still grabbing so that I get more volume. There we go, and then keep that hair lifted up from behind. This is kind of going sideways here, but I want it to go round. So I'm going to make sure it's all going straight back. Of course, I'm going to have some tangles now. Okay, just getting these all going back so that I can make another layer of this. I hope you guys can see. All right, so I've got 3 in the front, and I think I'm going to leave those 3 for the front, and then I'm going to start going back and making some more. All right, so I'm going to take one piece from the front here and have it connect to the next layer, just to kind of give a pretty line here. Push forward. Let's see. Clip on there. Lift up and get that hair lifted. Ooh, I love big hair. Haven't had big hair in a long time. You can make this as big as you want. Try to make it fairly similar on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to just go back and make another layer so we get even more volume back here. All right, So in between the ones I already have, I'm going to grab some hair. I'm going to kind of hook these two together. Hopefully you can see what I have here. 1 and 2. I'm going to hook them together. Absolutely make sure to push them forward and make sure I can see that from the front. And then kind of lift the hair up and then secure it. One really fun thing to do when you really want to get volume is to hold the curl at the top of the curl and to hold it at the bottom and then to pull apart like this. And that gives a lot more volume to the curl. I don't know if you've ever tried that before, but that really helps. Fan it out and fluff it up. Okay. So this is going to look sort of like a crown, I guess, huh? Now I've got another piece going back here and here. Kind of bring them together. Push forward and make sure that's as high as I want it. And then I will clip that. I'm going to go ahead and clip this one in the back so that you guys can see. Okay, and just keep coming around here. Now I need to go somewhere fancy. I feel like this lighting is difficult for me. Hopefully you guys can see. Aww. Okay. This is a little bit of a bigger curl clump here. I think just because I can, I'm going to put more than one here. Okay. So fun. All right, so I looked and looked and looked for my side mirror and I could not, I mean my, hand mirror, and I couldn't find it. So I am going to assume that I need one more layer right here to lift up. You want to kind of have them going back as far as the back of your crown so that that volume fills up that whole space. Okay, so I'm going to put one more layer just so that I don't have a, immediate bump all by itself and then a flat place. So I'm going to just start grabbing pieces and pinching and making sure to push up. Push forward, I guess I should say. Okay, just keep going. I guess I'm using more than 10 here. And maybe just one or two more. Let's see if I can tell how many I have back here. Yeah, I think one more right here. I don't know. I wish I had my reverse mirror. So you guys, I'm going to love to see how you style your hair with these clips. Grab some. They're really inexpensive. They come with so many. They're nice and sturdy. They're very sparkly, lots of different colors. All the kids in your family or yourself can share them or just have plenty. Aw, I love it. All right, let's get a good look at the back. I know I've got kind of a frizzy look to my hair today, but it's fun to be nice and big. So that was really fun. I'm really happy about these. And then, like I say, when you're all done, you just put them right back on the little tubes that they come in, and they're easy to store away. All right, so I'm going to make sure and just put some important links in the post description here. I want to let you know that I went ahead and I bought several different products. I think 3 or 4 different cream gels from other companies. And they're on their way to my house. I'm going to be playing with them. And then in the next few weeks, I'm going to demonstrate the difference between these other products and my flaxseed cream gel from No Frizz 10. So we're going to compare, and that's going to be so much fun. We're going to see which ones maybe reduce frizz the most, which ones maybe enhance the curl the most, which one maybe has the most hold, if some are too heavy or not, how to use them a little bit. And I tried to find the products that I felt were all very similar, so it would be a good comparison. But we've got the Less brand, Eco Slay, and Living Proof. I know there are those 3 that I got, and then of course my flaxseed cream gel. So that's going to be really exciting to look forward to soon. And of course, as I get more of you guys playing, I'm going to have giveaway winners. I've been getting a couple each week, but I need to get 25 entries before I have a new winner. And I just added a new giveaway so that you can participate on my YouTube channel by watching, liking, sharing, commenting on my YouTube videos, and you can get entries for the giveaway. And the giveaway involves getting $10 store cash, either for my No Frizz 10 website or my Amazon affiliate store. So it's a really awesome thing to win, and you guys can just keep playing, keep trying to win. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully, if you have any questions about these little clips, you'll feel free to ask. And then if you try them out, I would love to see your posts on them. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll be back next Tuesday, 10 a.m. again. See you later.